Now, one of the most important things about lockdown is keeping your mental positivity and awareness up, and I'm going to show you how to do that in just 2 minutes using two things. Firstly, an app called Breathly, which is available for free from the App Store or Google Play. And secondly, an acupressure mat called Shakti Mat. Some of you may know what it is. It's a little mat that has a lot of little spikes on it, which will help you breathe, relax. You can get one from me at the studio at The Active Lifestyle if you like, but also this works without those two things. You can do it manually. So watch on and learn. Remember, if you think this is going to help someone, please like, please share, and stay safe during lockdown. Thanks, guys. This is a Shakti mat. Just lie out on the floor, and what you're going to do is going to sit your butt down here, and you're going to lie back on the Shakti mat. Now, as you can see, I've got the Shakti mat laid out on the floor. I'd recommend doing this topless, but for the purposes of the video, I won't. What I want you to do is sit your butt down here, okay, and just lie back onto the Shakti mat, as so. I'm going to lose my head, but anyway. Then you lie back on the Shakti mat, you feel the spikes, and open up your Breathly app, which I'll show in the next part of the video, and you just breathe along. I recommend the 4-square breathing, which gives you the same amount of time for inhalation, holding, exhalation, holding, and inhaling again. And I'll play that in a little bit, and that's all you need to do.
Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold.